Natural remedies for nosebleeds. Nosebleeds, also known as nasal hemorrhages and medically as, is a common condition that can appear at the worst times. The bleeding can be really alarming, especially since a small amount of blood can seem like a lot more. Although this symptom is alarming to most people, it's rarely a sign of anything serious, as it's almost always caused by injuries, nasal allergies or other problems that affect the blood vessels lining the nose. Keep reading to discover a few natural remedies for nosebleeds. What are some of the common causes of nosebleeds? Nasal hemorrhages can appear when the mucous membrane of the nose dries and hardens, causing the cracking that leads to bleeding. This same condition is really common in those taking blood thinners and the elderly, whose blood takes longer to clot. Other common causes of nosebleeds include sinusitis, blowing the nose too hard, injury to the nose, low humidity, nasal allergies, high altitudes, drug use, calcium deficiency, hypertension. How do you stop nosebleeds? One of the first things you should do while suffering from a nosebleed is to sit upright and lean forward. The upright position reduces the pressure on the veins, while bending forward keeps the blood from flowing down the throat. You can also follow these recommendations. Salt water. Make a saline solution by mixing a pinch of salt in a glass of water, then inject it into the nasal cavity with the help of a bulb syringe. Lemon. Place 1 or 2 drops in the affected nostril. Vinegar. Another good solution involves soaking a piece of sterile gauze in vinegar, which is placed in the nose for 10 minutes. Cold cloth. Place a cold cloth on the end of the nose. This remedy will help to contract the blood vessels and stop the blood flow. Ice. Applying ice is also an effective way to stop the bleeding. Simply apply ice to the nose for a few minutes. Moist towel. Putting a moist towel on the head can help rapidly slow the bleeding. Blow your nose. Gently blow your nose to expel any blood clots that may be hindering normal flow. Tips to avoid nosebleeds. Obviously, there is nothing better than prevention to avoid the embarrassing and annoying problem of nosebleeds. Here are some tips that can help prevent this problem. If you suffer from nosebleeds or have in the past, drink 8 glasses of water a day. This will help to keep the nasal passages moist. Avoid excessive use of air conditioning. Air conditioners dry the natural air, which can make nosebleeds more likely. Rub the inside of the nose with a little petroleum jelly or spray with saline solution. This will help keep the nasal passages moist, especially when suffering from sinusitis or a cold. Avoid blowing your nose too hard. Apply a little vitamin E to the inside of the nose to keep it moist. Simply dab a little of the oil with a cotton ball and insert it into the nostrils. Increase your vitamin C consumption, which is vital for strengthening the capillary walls. It's also an important component of collagen, a substance that gives the inside of your nose a moist, protective coating. When to seek medical attention. Nosebleeds are rarely a sign of something wrong. However, when they occur frequently and without explanation, it's really important to consult your doctor to dismiss any major health problems, like leukemia or blood disorder. You should also seek immediate medical attention if the bleeding lasts for 20 or more minutes, if there is a lot of blood loss, or if it's caused by a blow or injury.